From a manufacturer's perspective, regular, our SEMA and our PRI show that we attend, they're big monster shows.
You got customers coming in and you're showing off all your wares and it's great. Here is that marketing piece where you can talk to that editor, talk to the influencers and the people who are using the products, who are going to let everybody else know about that product.
Part of the conversation is for both sides to educate each other. Manufacturers telling journalists or the editors or the content creators what's really important for them, how they want to get their message across, which products they want to focus on.
What you really want to do is have that organic growth where you have that conversation and this person, they're drifting and they're having this problem and you actually have a product that can solve their problem. And you help them and you show them how and they go back and they can do it. Now, all of a sudden, your product is the hero. And it's not because you did a paid placement. It's because it's organically there. And that comes through in social media. People are wise. They can see what's bought or what's real. If you don't have the relationship with that influencer, it will never be real. So if you're not here making that relationship, you're never going to get to that next level.
You're kind of in the beginning of the year where you can still make changes with your product if you're on the manufacturer side, and both sides are looking for feedback from one another.
And so people just have to be really open-minded, really have good, candid, transparent conversations on what are the expectations on both sides as that landscape changes.